government, which we are naming as the Cabinet Retreat. There are multiple objectives of having this particular program. In this Cabinet Retreat, apart from all the Cabinet Ministers, all these senior government officials, the directors and heads of departments, and deputy commissioners of different districts participate. And the idea is to share the overall larger vision of the government, as well as the specific targets and goals of the specific departments with other departments and all the officials and cabinet ministers. Presentations are made by departments on what is the mandate that they have been given, what have they done about achieving those mandates, where are the challenges that are there ahead of them, and how do they plan to overcome those challenges, and what is their goal in the next 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. So this presentation which is made has multiple benefits. Number one, the departments that are making the presentation, they get a chance to introspect into what they have done. Because sometimes the works of the departments are so complicated that we get carried away with implementation of schemes and sometimes forget the mandate and the objective with which we are here to work. And hence it allows departments to introspect and look back into what is the mandate, what they have done, and present it to the rest of the government departments and the cabinet and the senior officials. The second important thing that happens when these presentations are made is that other departments get to understand the challenges that other departments are facing. They also are able to understand the different visions and targets that they have in front. And that way they're able to connect and work towards converging with other departments to work together. For example, today there was a presentation from social welfare, education, and the health department. And all of these departments deal with the social aspect and the health aspect of the citizens and individuals at different parts of their life or different stage of their life. But ultimately the citizen is at the center and the social and the health aspects at the center of what these departments are doing. And they're all interconnected. If the nutrition is given properly to the mother when the child is in the womb, then obviously the health of the child and the mother is better. Which ensures that when the child is born, then issues that are related to social welfare and the health sector and the health of the child is then improved, and basically the positive impact of there is happening. Similarly, if the child is given the necessary attention and the health issues are addressed at an early stage, then when the child grows up and goes to school, then the overall cognitive capability, the thinking capability, the brain development is in a much better level, and therefore obviously at that level then they perform better when they're in school and they're in college. So on and so forth. So hence it is very crucial